No talk, guys. I have some bad news, some very unfortunate news. The head writer of Courage the Cowardly Dog had passed away at age 55. His name is David Stephen Cohen, and I wanted to talk about some of his episodes that he had wrote. You see, what always gets me about this show is the fact that this man could write some super scary and dark stuff, but could turn around and write some wholesome stuff like this, bro. And this episode right here had always creeped me out. I remember feeling the exact same way at Courage, but I think these people gonna eat him for real. And I know y'all remember this classic right here, bro. Apparently to this day, he's still in some of y'all top 10 scariest creatures in Courage the Cowardly Dog. Me personally, my scariest are the serial killers, not this guy. And we cannot forget this iconic character along with his original soundtrack. Man, I'm gonna miss this show.